Buenos días or buenas tardes or buenas noches. It all depends on the time that you are watching this short video. I wanted to add this quick explanation about a topic that I know will give you some trouble. It's not easy to understand unless you practice and practice and practice. So, it's called combination of direct object pronouns, indirect object, let me correct this, and indirect object pronoun. I'm using colors to better visualize this explanation for you. Let's talk a little bit in grammar terms. What is direct object? Is the thing that we're talking about. Who or what is indirect object? Is for whom the action is completed. Excuse me. So I had this short, quick conversation. The party at the restaurante, hablo inglés, could be, says, waiter, bring us the menu, please. What is the thing that he's going to bring us? The menu. To whom, for whom is he bringing the menu? For us. Object, indirect object. Waiter says, I beg your pardon? You know, the noise in the restaurant is very crowded sometimes, very noisy, so the waiter couldn't understand. So he says, I beg your pardon? Could you please repeat? The party says again, bring us the menu. Bring it to us, please. For whom is he bringing the menu again? For us, indirect object. In this case, is pronoun. What is the thing he's bringing to us? The menu, indirect object. When we say bring it to us, we use all pronouns because, as you know, since you are experts in your English classes, a pronoun replaces a noun. It is replacing the menu, as you see in amarillo, and us is used in English for indirect object pronoun, the person or people who's receiving or benefiting from the action. The waiter says at the end to wrap up the conversation, certainly, I will bring it to you. It is the menu, the indirect object pronoun, and you is the indirect object pronoun, the people who benefit from the action. In Espanol, there is a tricky situation in here because we have a change in the order. The menu, and oops, I didn't mean to. Let's see if I can just correct this quickly before okay. So, in español, the grupo de restaurante says, mesero, nos trae el menú, por favor. Nos, to us, you see the chart in your VHL, the explanation, nos equals to the indirect object, and el menú is the object. So far, we haven't made any changes right here. Mesero says, excuse me, perdón. The grupo repeats, nos trae el menú. Bring us the menu. Nos lo trae, por favor. For whom? Indirect object. What is the thing is it going to bring to us? The menu is replaced with lo because it's el menú, it's male, and bring it to us. So if you look closely, we have in English, the indirect object goes right after the object. In Spanish, the indirect object goes in front of the object. Let me say it again. In English, the object pronoun goes before the indirect object. In Spanish, the indirect object goes before the object pronoun. There is another way in which you can combine in one word the two object pronouns. The indirect object plus the object and the verb. Bring it to us. Bring it to us. Traer, which means bring it. For whom, to us, and what the thing is going to bring, the menu. Tráiganoslo. It's a little complicated, but it will clear up with practice. Finally, the mesero responds with, por supuesto, Se los traigo a ustedes. There is a rule that says that when you have the object pronoun start with el and the indirect object pronoun, start with el and the object pronoun start with el, so you need to switch the el to an s in the indirect object pronoun. If you look right here, you have this, which is on your VHL, and we have the double object pronouns. Le, indirect object, start with el, and the direct object start with el as well. So when you have the two, so you had to switch the indirect object to se. Second example, start with les, and the object start with L, so we switch it to S. So where did I get this? PowerPoint is very simple to find. You have to go to your content and go the way to resources. When you click on resources, then make sure that you're in the correct lesson, lesson 8, and then you will scroll down and find the Estructura grammar slides or PowerPoint. Okay? Alright, y'all, I hope that this quick explanation will clear things up on this topic. I repeat, and I understand it's not easy, but the key point is the more you practice, the easier it gets, and it will be better for you to understand. That's all I had for you. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Adios.